Xioneer, we manufacture very special soluble support materials. Compared to PVOH or PVOH, a lot less hygroscopic. They won't jam up your printer, and we cover the whole range from open printers to closed printers, even up to heated chambers to 120 degrees Celsius.
Xioneer has been developing 3D printing products for over 10 years. And on this Formnext, we're presenting 4 new products, and I think you will love them. To get started with VXL, we got this very simple product for you we call VXL Go that has everything you need to start printing VXL and dissolve the support material in this very complex solution. I think you will love our next product. It's a simple to use, affordable support removal station we call Vortex Easy. It has a powerful heater which can heat your solvent up to 85 degrees Celsius, a powerful propeller, and a very convenient basket for your 3D printed parts. If this looks familiar to you, then you're absolutely right. It's a standard household washing machine. We took one of these machines and equipped it with our software and created an entirely new product we call Vortex Pro that you can use to dissolve support structures from your 3D printed parts. Put your parts inside, fill in the detergent, choose your program, and just hit start. The machine will pump all the solvent inside automatically, will dissolve the parts, rinse them, pump all the used fluid outside to get very quick results in a fully automated way. Experienced 3D printing users know that filaments can easily absorb moisture from the surrounding air. So we came up with a solution we call Drybox Easy, which is a filament cabinet where you can store your filament spools and keep them in a very closed, dried environment so you get amazing 3D printing results.